AI is changing everything from the way we create art to how we edit photos. Remember when photo editing meant spending hours adjusting layers in Photoshop? Those days are long gone. Now, with just a few clicks, artificial intelligence can turn ordinary photos into stunning, professional-grade images in seconds. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 AI tools for photo editing that are dominating 2025. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, designer, or someone who just wants their selfies to look studio-ready, these tools are about to change the way you work. Stay tuned till the end because the last one is a hidden gem that most people haven't even heard about yet. Let's start with one of the biggest names in creative software. Adobe's AI system, called Firefly, takes traditional editing to an entirely new level. Its generative fill and generative expand features are mind-blowing. You can simply select any area of your photo and tell the AI what you want, maybe to remove an unwanted object, extend the background, or change the lighting. Type something like, "Add a sunset sky with warm tones," and within seconds the software generates a realistic, perfectly blended result. Firefly understands context, lighting, and texture, so the changes look completely natural instead of artificial. For photographers and digital artists who already use Photoshop or Lightroom, this AI assistant feels like pure magic. Next, there's Luminar Neo by Skylum, a favorite among creators for its simplicity and power. Luminar Neo focuses on creative enhancement with tools like Relight AI, Sky Replacement, and Skin Enhancer. You can fix uneven lighting, remove haze, enhance colors, and smooth out portraits instantly without spending hours on manual edits. The best part is that it's extremely beginner-friendly. Even if you've never edited photos before, Luminar Neo helps you achieve professional results effortlessly. It also supports RAW editing, so it's great for serious photographers who care about quality. Think of it as having a professional retoucher built right into your laptop powered entirely by AI. Another impressive option is Fotor AI. This one is a complete online photo editor packed with smart tools for every kind of image enhancement. You don't even have to download anything. It works straight in your browser. Fotor includes an AI background remover, face enhancer, art generator, and even a photo restore tool that can repair old or damaged photos. That last feature is especially fascinating. You can take a faded childhood photo or a scratched-up vintage picture and bring it back to life with one click. For influencers, small business owners, or social media creators, Fotor is a huge time saver. It helps produce professional quality visuals quickly, which is perfect when you need consistent content but don't have hours to edit every image. We've already seen some powerful tools, but the next two are even more exciting. They go beyond simple editing. They use AI to completely reimagine how we approach creativity itself. The results you can get from them are not just photo edits but entirely new visual experiences. Let AS move on to the final two tools that are truly redefining the future of AI-powered photography. One of the most creative AI photo editing tools right now is PhotoRoom. It is designed to make image backgrounds disappear and new ones appear in just a few seconds, but that's only the beginning. PhotoRoom's AI understands the subject of your image perfectly. It can isolate people or objects with precision and place them into entirely new environments. Whether you're designing product photos for an online store or creating social media posts, you can generate professional backgrounds automatically. For example, you can upload a picture of a coffee mug on a messy desk, and within seconds, PhotoRoom can transform it into a clean product photo with a white studio background or even a cozy cafe aesthetic. The results look natural, well-lit, and perfectly centered, no manual masking required. It also includes templates for e-commerce, YouTube thumbnails, and ad creatives, which makes it one of the most practical tools for small businesses, influencers, and digital marketers. The app works on both desktop and mobile, so you can edit on the go. It's like having your own design studio powered entirely by AI. Another groundbreaking tool worth exploring is Remove.bg, a lightweight yet extremely powerful AI platform. It's famous for one thing, flawless background removal, but it has evolved far beyond that. Now, it offers AI-based editing that allows users to replace, blur, or stylize backgrounds instantly. What's special about Remove.bg is its accuracy. Even with complex images like hair strands or motion shots, the AI cleanly separates subjects from their surroundings without losing quality. It's perfect for anyone who creates thumbnails, profile pictures, or promotional content. For example, if you're shooting a product photo at home, you don't need a fancy studio setup. Just upload your photo and Remove.bg will make it look like it was taken in a professional environment. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly reliable. Even free users get high-quality results. Many creators combine Remove.bg with Canva or Photoshop to take their visuals to the next level. All of these tools show how far photo editing has come in just a few years. What used to take professional designers hours to accomplish can now be done by anyone in a matter of seconds. AI is not replacing creativity, it's enhancing it. These technologies remove the repetitive, time-consuming parts of editing so that you can focus on the artistic side, choosing the right mood, composition, and story for your image. If you think about it, AI photo editors are like digital assistants for your imagination. They take care of the technical details while you stay in control of the creative direction. Whether you're building a brand, running an online business, or just sharing moments on social media, these tools give you the power to create faster and better than ever before. So, which of these AI tools do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear what you were using and what kind of results you were getting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI tools and technologies. New AI breakthroughs are happening every week, and I'll be here to keep you updated with the best ones to help you stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore more amazing ways artificial intelligence is changing the creative world.